I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. Today, I feel like something sweet, so I'm going to make blueberry crisp. I'm going to start with fresh blueberries, and I'm going to pile those high inside a very small cast iron Dutch oven. I'm then going to top it with a crumbly mixture of sugar and butter, and I'm going to put that in my Kamado Joe until it's nice and golden brown, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. It's easy to make, and it's right here on Austin Eats. To prepare the blueberries, I'm going to add some granulated sugar, a little cornstarch, and some lemon juice, and give it a toss. Once it's mixed thoroughly, I'm going to transfer that to my Dutch oven that I've pre-coated with a little cooking spray. Now, I'll set that aside and create the topping. It's all-purpose flour, some brown sugar, a little baking powder, cinnamon, and a little bit of sea salt. Now I'll set that aside and grate the stick of butter that I've had in the freezer for about an hour. That'll make it easy to grate, and that will make it also easy to incorporate back into my mixture. So throw the butter in, and now with a pastry cutter, mix that all up. And we're ready to put that on top of the blueberries. All those little clumps are butter. Oh, it's going to be great. Time to light the barbecue. I've set up my barbecue for indirect heat, and this is going to go in for about an hour until that crust turns golden brown. If you don't like a lot of smoke, well, you can put the lid on. Now, when I took mine out, I wanted it a little more finished, so I threw it in the wood-fired oven for a few minutes. Ah, fantastic, and it tasted wonderful. Doesn't get better than that. Hey, if you like the video, let me know, and please subscribe. I've got new videos coming out several times a week. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Austin Eats.